The United States is concerned by the December 23 announcement by the Mozambican Constitutional Council regarding the October 9 national elections. Zalamira mashuka tinoona kuti aiwa kunyangwe neAmerica panguva inoyi aiwa yava concerned pamusoro peoutcome inobuditsiwa nevakomana aiwa kuMozambique aiwa vachiva vachiti Daniel Chapo ndiye akahwina maelections October 9 vachiona the unrest ichikontinya notable subscribe or like button on the bell icon tipinda panapa pahendo yechingiridwa mbanyana chiti civil society organizations, political parties, the media and international observers, including those from the United States, cited significant irregularities in the tabulation process as well as concern about the lack of transparency throughout the election period. The United States calls for all stakeholders to refrain from violence and engage in meaningful collaboration to restore peace and foster unity. Those responsible for violations of human rights, including the killing of protesters and party officials and excessive use of force by security forces, must be held accountable. Mozambicans deserve elections that are free of violence and that reflect the will of the people. The United States urges all stakeholders to commit to serious electoral and institutional reforms to secure the future of Mozambique as a genuine multi-party democracy. The US. Tomashkwamda tokopana pane the US. Achiti aiwa munenge nogara Mozambique vanotodeservawo better, vanotodawo maelections ari credible, vanotodawo kuti mavhotes avo arespectiwe, vachiva vachiudza mastakeholders vachiri mapolitical parties vachiti aiwa vese vari kuita mahuman rights violations, those guys must be stopped, kuti varege kuita zvinhu aiwa zvisina kunaka zvakadai. Tidze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro peintervention yeUnited States panhau yeMozambique. Pinda comment section mutse mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.